Morning, I'm November Canyesoyo. I'm from Plantsville Health. We're now in the Negros Occidental Provincial Social Hall. We are from the Negros Trade Fair, which will be in Manila on September 27 to October 1. So right now we are setting up for the media launch this afternoon. This is a fun event for me because I get to see how the women in Negros will set up the media launch. I'll let you get into the sneak peek. Hi Ina, I know you're busy. We're doing Facebook Live.
Oh, hello!
From Hacienda Crafts. Miss Joji, say hello. From
Hello,
Miss
everyone.
Joji Locsin from Tumandok
Yeah.
Crafts. Din ka gani? Okay.
Hi.
Ngalan mo?
Michael, ma'am.
Michael from Association of Negros Occidental Producers. Okay. This is Kathy Haggad from Art Energy. She's setting up this part of the where the Philippine naman is and the Negros weaves are. Yan. Kathy, kabalo ko sa ako. Kaya hello, anay. Facebook Live. Kathy, Art Energy. Ann, hello, anay. Facebook Live for your possibilities. Ann, Makilan, sige na. Promote ang products para sa Negros Trade Fair. Look at the day. Okay. Sino pa, Ridi? Na wala na mention? Sino pa wala na? Helen. Lakat di? For Tumandok, si Helen. So, Helen Gallegos from Tumandok Crafts.
Hello, good morning.
Okay.
Excited for the trade fair.
Yes. Tanida mo ito mabenta?
Amen.
Tani mo, boss. Tagaanta sila sa sneak peek
Yes, yes.
para sa media launch karon. So this is the side where Plantsville Health is. So we're featuring the 7 species that we found in Negros Occidental. So we're also featuring banig. Mike, dinihali ng banig?
Hinubaan, ma'am.
Okay, wait lang. Can you tell us something about the banig from Hinubaan?
From Hinubaan community and also the weavers of Madha.
Sa di ng Madha, mamaylan? Na. Okay. So, ang Madha na, ano na sila, ng IP na sila, di ba la?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo. So, ginabuligan sila sa ANP nga mabadala ang market, ang ila product sa market.
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
So, kanami gid kay indigenous crafts. So, mas ma-appreciate naton ang ilang nga work. Kay ginupod pag siya sa iban pag mga produkto sa Negros. Okay, sige. So, okay, so this one is Sinamomo Mercadoy. Amo ning ilang banig. Mike, dinihali no ang ibo ni siya? Sorry?
Artisana.
Artisana kay Mary Ann, di ba? Oh. Ari ang cart Art Energy ni Kathy, ang Mount Art Energy, di ba la?
Yes.
Okay. Sige. Ang ari pagid iya man na sing Art Energy. Okay. Ang painting kay sino gani ang painting? Happy Bigi. Ate ari lakat na di. Oh, sige lakat. Ano gani mo ngalan? Lagit. Facebook Live ni. Sige, pag-introduce yung mga ngalan.
My name is JB Merdable, one of the artists sa pictures sa Happy Beginners Color.
Very good. Okay. So, kasi nung na-painting,
Yes, a student naman. Bali, ga-assist na kami sila.
ano gani ang mga students ninyo sa Happy Beginners?
Student with special needs sila.
Okay.
Autism. It's mga special child sila.
Okay. Sige. Thank you. So, araong painting. Oh, this is for sale sa Negros Trade Fair. Pwede na nila ma-order, Ann. Gusto ang dalon pa sa Negros Trade Fair. Okay, so that one is Sinamomo Miriantum. That one is from Artisana. Kathy, imunin cabinet. Imunin cabinet. Okay. This cabinet, may ano ni siya, may ngalan ng cabinet. Anong tawag sini?
Analu minibar.
Oh.
That's a minibar.
Tidalon yung box, bro. Sige, ito may minibar na katahom gid. So, this one naman ako niya products. Yan yung Plantsville. So, we have the cinnamon cocoa sugar. It's really good for your coffee. We have the relaxing massage oil using the cinnamon essential oil. The sleep aromatic water using the cinnamon, of course. The natural mouthwash using the moringa oil, cinnamon oil. And then the sleep aromatic water that will help you sleep, and the sanitizer. So this bench is from Art Energy, right? Okay. Kathy, imuni divider, di ba? Anong tawag siniman? Ay, kasi no ni? Imuni divider? Kasi no? Ina. Ah, Ina. Ashenda Crafts. Ina, may anong ngalan sa divider nga ni? OB divider. Yeah. Katahom. Ina, this is ikat, di ba? Oh, from the Tivoli. And this is made of coconut. Katahom gid. Very nice. And then here is another corner. Yan. That's Ina and Kathy at work. Oh, it's the feature of the Visayan spotted deer. This is endemic to Negros, di ba la? Miss Georgie, imo ni siya? Oh, this art piece is by Tumandokra. Katahom. Can you tell us more about your spotted deer? Katahom did. Dito ka kay para ma-explain mong spotted deer para pangitaan ta na buyer.
Oo, dali lang. Kaya may araw na siya store. Okay.
Sige, are. Dito ka lang pala Miss Georgie kay para
Okay.
makita kanila. Okay. This Miss Georgie Locsin.
Yeah, this is one of the endangered species here in Negros Occidental. The Visayan spotted deer, also known as the Visayan deer. No? It is the Philippine spotted deer or Prince Albert's deer. See? It's a nocturnal and endangered species of deer located primarily in the rainforest of the Visayan Islands of Panay and Negros Occidental. So, we thought of making mga wall arts out of the endangered species because we want to help also the foundation that is behind this protecting them. So, that's the Negros
Forest Foundation. Ni Pefi.
Yes.
Oo.
So, thank you so much for helping us by supporting, buying this wall of arts. These are unique pieces.
Okay. Dali lagid mambalang ko.
Yes, sir.
Ang problema kasi sa mga animals, gakadula na sila. Kasi gakadula, Manila, balay ang Negros Forest. So, today, ang Negros Forest, we only have 4% forest cover left. That's why in Plantsville, our advocacy and our business is Philippine cinnamon. We're trying to plant the cinnamon here in Negros.
Yes, yes.
Kaya kita mo, si mga animals nga naga-istar sa ila para ma-save na sila. So, isa ka animal na attracted to Philippine cinnamon is the Visayan kukushrike. Of course, that one also. And then, we found the kabak-kabak, butterfly. So, actually, wala pa kita kabalo Kay kabalaan mo lang balik ng mga sapat. Kung nabalik, manang ila kuloyan, mga kahoy.
Oh, wow. That's why we are here for preserving our ecology sa Visayas. But hopefully, we can also encourage others to do the same, sa iba't-ibang na parts ng Philippines.
Can you please tell us about the materials you use for the artwork?
Oh, yes, oo. Inugiyabati. This is inlaid. Actually, we are doing lamination of indigenous materials. So what we did, ang artist namon, si Xavier Italia, used kapok seed pads for the body. Okay? And then, course, these are natural kapi shells. Okay? And ini naman niya, banana bark.
I see. Oh, patahom,
Oo,
no?
ginibot sa kahoy. So
Okay.
those are natural materials of the park. Ini naman niya, rice hull, laphang. Practically, we are using throwaway. So,
Okay.
ang concept of from trash to treasure is what we are doing with
Yeah,
our
circularity.
indigenous materials.
Okay, okay.
Muna siya.
Imo man ni siya, ho?
Yes.
Oh, sige, please tell us more. There's another product ni Tumandok. Ah, sige.
Ini has a combination of crushed glass and rice hull. We have a partnership with TUP and they provided us with the technology to crush the glass. So, us being the artisans, we thought of coming up with products that encapsulates rice hull and crushed glass, no, with resin. So, hindi siya sakit sa kamot.
Okay.
So, and it will last long actually.
Yes. Very good. Ara, pag hindi mo, Miss Georgie, nga iba nga products.
So, ano na siya, no? We process the kapis, no? Others would think this is MOP. But actually, these are just kapi shells. Now, we process it and come up with a new pattern, no? This has been with us for probably about 15 years already. And this is one of the hottest
Classic na design.
design that you can find in local stores in Manila.
Yes.
They keep
Okay.
ordering.
Okay. Ang vase mo man eh?
Ayun.
Tapusan na lagi. Tapusan na kaya. Di na ta?
Ini naman niya, sentimento naman yung material with a combination of rice hull. So this is an ideal product for the European market. Somebody wanted to order this. So we thought of bringing this also.
Oh, very good. Ang ano niya, ang jewelry box.
Well, jewelry box is the same. It matches with the picture frame.
Okay.
So kapis siya.
Oo.
Kapis siya. Processed kapis.
Ang bangles niya.
Bangles is with happy beginners.
Happy beginners!
Happy beginners!
Can you talk about your bangles? Kay Katahom.
Okay.
Oo.
Sige, ikaw na. Sir, introduce mo yung
Oo.
nawas.
Thank you.
Again, I'm Richard Gravy. This one is called wooden bracelets made of students with special needs with assistant ng teacher artist, teacher JV, and also wala pa sila teacher Jess at teacher Lawrence. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Gid. Oo. Katahom, no? Damo design. Sila mo ni namin, sir, sing mga design, no?
Kami kahatag sa design or sometimes sila lang mismo ka-create.
Okay. So, do tribal, di siya ya. Area do floral. Sorry, you're going to say something. Dili ka sa kanan.
This one is sila na mismo aga-create sa design. Sometimes sila aga-create sa design. Sometimes kami ga-assist or kami ga-assist sa design. Masunod sa ila.
Okay, very good.
So, more on sila ganyan mismo ga, okay, Manong, you should try the paint sa Google. Sila mismo ga, hindi lang design, basta na nakakarete sa ila.
Very good. Kathy, pwede na ka set up? Okay. Food? Yung tutong food, no?
Thank you,
Sa right, no? Hindi black?
Nag-cater na ma'am?
Cater na da. Imo na siya, hindi, no? Hindi yan ba? Sino man? Hindi. Ako na lang. Yan is yung Negros creative definitions. Si Mike La Parol ang creative definitions, right? Oo. So this one is a table runner. Is this made of pineapple? Hand woven. Katahom. Oo. Parang these are things that you can pass on for generations.
Oh yes,
no?
it will last.
It will last. Yan is the creative definition.
Pinya
Pinya fiber. Kathy, would you be able to talk na about your tinker? Tinker ni siya? Sige. Who wants to talk about these products? Sir Georgie. Miss Georgie, take it away. Go na.
This table here has a combination of the brushed glasses and ang mga abaca fibers coming from Father God. No? And this is the Sea of Galilee wall decor. It has coconut shell and as well as the fish shell. It's natural and it has texture. Of course, and this is made from another vibe and cocoa shell. So these are also our fast-selling products that we are bringing sa Negros Trade Fair. So jewelry box namon may nito, may coffee shell. Okay, so amo na siya nga amon mga iban pag yung na product. Follow this. Follow this. Follow this. Follow this.
Sige.
Follow. Sundon so paamo na siya.
Oh.
Doga amo man nga position.
Want to talk about this basket?
Handmade. Wala pa di. Handmade. Why pa?
I'll just talk about it. So,
Ay,
I assume
wait.
these are hand-painted.
Wait. Teka. Those are happy beginners. Oh.
This one is called abaca bags. Also, kami ng teacher na assist sa student with special needs. Also sila na base na instruction na mo na paano mag-color this one. Shading. Also there, gusto din na instruction paano shade. Also ang design. With guide lang po kami sabi.
Ano pa ang isa? Look, tahong na siya.
It's called Maya.
Maya siya, no?
Makita naman sa Negros. Also sa it's also Maya is 8 kinds of flowers.
Sino nag-paint sila?
Also is Brent.
Si Brent.
Thank you. Thank you, Gid.
Follow, make it straight. Follow straight. Thank you. Follow the line of the floor.
Kathy, you want to talk about this one? This one, ikaw naman. Ako na lang salesperson.
Ano siya?
Ano siya tawag?
For the TV. For the TV console. Okay.
Sige.
Ano pa din atin?
Kadto sa food. Hi! Ay! Kataari ka gali. Kataari ka Facebook live ko. Please ko na.
Hello. Hello.
Can you please talk about your products?
We don't have the products here
Sige
yet,
lang, araw mo.
but, we have the Bacolod chorizo, and we have it in cans. And it's recently the winner of the
Pakita.
ANP,
Bulawan.
Bulawan.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Pila na ni ka generation inyo nga chorizo?
Since 1930s.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So more of the food will be displayed here later. And this is Jenny.
Okay, hi Jen. Sige.
She is the new a new member and first time to join the Negros Trade Fair.
Okay, ano nga brand imo? Thank you kata.
Her turn.
Hi, thanks. Okay lang. Sige.
Buko pie,
Nyam.
the butter cake,
Okay.
banana chocolate squares,
Yes.
and the cheese momo. You want to try one?
No, thank you. Kay karon pa lang kay damo na bisita karon. Nauya ako mag-iban. Okay lang, thank you gid. Oh. Okay. Sige, thank you. Dua pa lang ka food nagabot. Okay. So, kagina may naga-practice na di sa fashion show. So, may mini fashion show sila karon. So, this is the entire social hall. Katahom. This is the Negros Occidental Provincial Social Hall. Yan. So, if we look out from the Provincial Social Hall, we can see the Capitol Lagoon there. I-off ko na? You finished na? Yeah. Okay.